Hi, this is Jade. Today, let's learn how to do long division of polynomials. Example 1. 8x cubed plus 14x plus 8 divided by 2x plus 1. 8x cubed plus 14x plus 8 is called the dividend, while 2x plus 1 is called the divisor. First step. Arrange dividend and divisor in descending order. This means that we should arrange from highest to lowest power. So 8x cubed plus 0x squared, because we don't have x squared in our dividend, plus 14x plus 8. Now this is in descending order. And then divisor 2x plus 1. Step 2. Divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor. That is 8x cubed divided by 2x, giving 4x squared. And then step 3, multiply this answer by the divisor and then subtract. So 4x squared times 2x plus 1, we get 8x cubed plus 4x squared. Now we subtract. 8x cubed minus 8x cubed is 0. And 0x squared minus 4x squared, it's minus 4x squared. Step 4, bring the next term down. So we bring plus 14x down. We have minus 4x squared plus 14x. Step 5, repeat steps 1 to 4. So our minus 4x squared, we divide it by 2x to get minus 2x. And then minus 2x times 2x plus 1, giving minus 4x squared minus 2x. Now we subtract. Minus 4x squared minus 4x squared. It's 0. 14x minus 2x, 16x. We bring the next term down, which is plus 8. 16x plus 8. Now for the 16x, we divide it by 2x to get 8. And then the 8, we multiply it by 2x plus 1 to give 16x plus 8. We then subtract. 16x minus 16x is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. So we have divided 8x cubed plus 14x plus 8 by 2x plus 1. We got no remainder, so the remainder is 0. And the quotient is 4x squared minus 2x plus 8. It means that 8x cubed plus 14x plus 8 divided by 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x squared minus 2x plus 8. Now let's try example 2. 3x power 4 plus 2x power 3 minus x squared plus x minus 7 divided by x plus 2. We arrange our dividend and divisor in descending order. So 3x power 4 plus 2x power 3 minus x squared plus x minus 7. We divide 3x power 4 by x. We get 3x cubed. Now we multiply 3x cubed by x plus 2. We get 3x power 4 plus 6x cubed. We subtract. 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 is 0. And 2x power 3 minus 6x power 3 gives minus 4x power 3. We bring the next term down, which is minus x squared. Minus 4x cubed minus x squared. The first term, which is minus 4x cubed, we divide it by x. We get minus 4x squared. And we multiply minus 4x squared by x plus 2. We get minus 4x cubed minus 8x squared. We subtract. Minus 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. And minus x squared minus minus 8x squared, it's 7x squared. We bring the next term down, which is x. So we have 7x squared plus x. The 7x squared, we divide it by x to get 7x. We multiply the 7x by x plus 2 to get 7x squared plus 14x. 7x squared minus 7x squared is 0. X minus 14x, it's minus 13x. And we bring the next term down, minus 7. So we have minus 13x minus 7. We take the minus 13x, we divide it by x to get minus 13. And then we multiply the minus 13 by x plus 2 to get minus 13x minus 26. Minus 13x minus minus 13x is 0. Minus 7 minus minus 26 is equal to 19. So we have a remainder of 19. Hence, 3x power 4 plus 2x power 3 minus x to the square plus x minus 7 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 3x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7x minus 13 plus 19 divided by x plus 2. We write remainder divided by divisor. So here we are. This is how we perform long division for polynomials. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Join me in the comments down below and support my channel by subscribing. Thank you. Take care. See you soon.